In this video, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart a lawnmower or a tractor with a portable jump pack. Now, this one I don't think you can get anymore, but I'll leave a link in the description over to, there's a ton of different brands. So something similar to this, basically you charge this, it has power in here, and it comes with jumper cables. The power goes into your battery so you can jumpstart your lawnmower. Now, if your battery's completely dead, then this probably won't work and you need a new battery anyways. But in my case, the lawnmower just isn't charging the battery and it's really annoying and I should fix it, but I don't know a lot about small engines. I think it has a bad stator, which basically is like an alternator that charges the battery as far as I know. So I just got a new battery last year. I should be good with that, but if your battery is completely dead, you might have to get a new one. So most lawnmowers are kind of the same. So with this one, the battery is located under the seat, but you can't just lift this up and try and start it because this right here is a safety feature that won't allow you to start it. In fact, when you have this running and you put the seat up, in case you fall off the thing, it's gonna shut it down completely. Make sure your mower is not engaged, which this isn't, and just to show you, this is completely dead. First time of the season starting this thing, so hopefully it works. So in order to make sure we can start it, because of that safety, I'm gonna put my foot on the brake here, and then I have this little lever that I engage that keeps the brake down. Fully choke this, make sure there's gas in it. Done that before. So make sure you have gas. And in my case, I have a gas shut off right here. So I'm gonna turn that on. So now I know I have gas going through here. And we should be ready to start this. So lift this up, and positive is the red right here. Negative is the black. I'll plug it in right here. Hook up the positive first. Wiggle it around and try and get a good connection here. And then the negative. We got lights blinking. Let's just try the key. Okay, turn the choke down. Remove this, negative off first, and the positive. Okay. Now I'm going to let it run for a little bit. I'm not sure exactly why this particular model isn't sold anymore. I don't know if this right here is working properly. As you can see, those were blinking, and really, typically that start right there lights up green and it kind of beeps, and then you're supposed to start it. But they're all kind of different, but the same. So I'll leave a link in the description over to similar ones. And really simple, but if you didn't know, now you know. Thanks for watching.